Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. It's spa time again. This is the 1995 hot Skatin Midge. She really needs a glow-up. Baking soda and dish soap are a perfect deep cleansing peeling. And now, let's get started. Look at this tangled mass of matted hair. I bought her on eBay. Scrubbing the dirt away. She has a bend and move body and the 1985 Diva Midge face sculpt. And now comes the fun part. Let me work that hair. Adding fragrant shampoo. Okay, that escalated quickly. The obligatory conditioner. Trying my best to detangle her beautiful auburn hair. Carefully working through one strand of hair at a time. I use my fingers to detangle some of the bigger knots. You need to be persistent and careful at the same time. This took me about half an hour. It feels a bit like meditation. You have to be in the moment, and you can't force or accelerate things, at least if you don't want to lose too much hair. This is the amount of hair that I couldn't save. Let's have a closer look at the final result. I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys.